So remove the first three right here, here, and here from the blower motor. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, if you can see that right there. And then I put the 3 back on here so I can keep them safe.
You touch that positive right there. You hear it?
It's humming, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to attempt to see if we can grease this, oil it. Try to save it, not having to buy.
All right. Okay.
We'll lube up that. Some grease. Let's see if we can get to the other side. Brushes. The brushes look good. A lot of life left in the brushes that run on the armature. These brushes aren't really serviceable, but you just want to make sure that there's plenty left here. There's plenty left because the wire's back there from the brushes, and you just pull this back and you can see. Make sure they're free and the springs are working. Then you want to clean this armature. You got to use like, you want to get it good and shiny like that. You want to use like woodworking sandpaper. You don't want to use any metallic metal sandpaper. You short out between the little grooves there. And then after you're done cleaning it, give it a good blow, and then take an awl or a needle or something and just go like that.
Get it out of the grooves.
Yeah, make sure there's no short. It'll short out, and just lightly do this to make sure all your grooves are clean. Don't get carried away. And I think that's it. And try to lube that. So the brass bushings, see that, for instead of bearings. And so I'm just gonna, instead of trying to pound this off and wreck it, I'm gonna just use this 3-in-1 motor oil that nobody has, because at least nobody has the metal can, because it's very old. And then I'll just turn it and let that bushing get lubed. It feels a lot better already. So, all right, oil in there, this 3-in-1 motor oil. Keep the thing from making noise. And we're ready to put it back together. And this whole armature in the stator, it only goes one way. And I'm just using the vise. I'm not clamping it. I'm just using it to
Keep it in place.
to hold it.
Yeah.
While I'm working on that.
Here. I'm gonna hold it up so you can tighten the device.
Sure. And then I believe this is for water, and there's probably a little tube there at one time, but then we want to line up this. There. And then you can put these guys back in. Make sure they go through the stator. Yeah.
There you go.
And we'll put it back together and we'll try it out. These are 11/32, by the way, for people who are going to be doing this job. Most people probably just buy a new one, but not us. Especially when we're finding out that everything on a damn Barracuda or Challenger 70s is not cheap. I don't even want to find out the price, but anyway, there's nothing wrong with it. It just needed oiling. So we'll get this running. Oh my gosh, what a difference.